Hi, my name is Holger Scheel. I'm the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer of CBS. Welcome to our webcast on the power of transformation. Welcome to our special webcast on the power of transformation. I am Holger Scheel, the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer of CBS, and I'm excited to share insights on how to maximize your transformation impact. Let's start with a quick look at the world. The world is changing, and maybe faster than ever. From geopolitics to economic challenges, from unstable supply chains to AI breakthroughs and digital disruption, just to name a few. Businesses are feeling the pressure severely. Manufacturing companies that run a global business have to deal with these changes. Enterprises that rely on SAP software for their business operations must adapt to the situation. Our customers ask for solutions to help them master this permanent change. And of course, this is not limited to certain regions or industries. It affects companies worldwide. I'm happy to introduce Victor Puente, Senior Manager at CBS in the US, who will share his perspective on this transformative reality. Victor, how do you experience this new reality in the world?
Thanks, Holger, and hi from the US. It is indeed a new reality, one that is constantly changing. And every decision has a downstream consequence. At the end of the day, we do live in a highly connected, globalized economy. A lot of the macroeconomic trends that you touched on affect all of us, and it's a matter of when, not if. Changes in consumer spending trends and global trade uncertainty, for example, are forcing organizations to rapidly shift priorities, a lot of times much faster than they're comfortable with. Add to this tightening access to capital, labor shortages, the realignment of global supply chains, or the ever-evolving adoption of AI, companies are finding themselves in the perfect storm of complexity and urgency.
Well, Victor, I think we agree. Change is and remains an undeniable fact for all of us. That's why waiting for calmer times is simply not an option. Transformation is a must in these unsteady times, especially for enterprises that rely on SAP as their core business platform. It's time to rethink strategies and reshape operations to become future ready. The ability to adapt, to innovate, and to transform has now become a crucial strategic advantage. But this is not a webcast that merely repeats the need for change. We want to talk about how transformation can be shaped. We want to show how transformation succeeds. So let's ask the key questions. How can industrial companies successfully shape their digital business transformation? What does it take for SAP user companies to successfully make the journey to the next generation of their business solution? How can they renew their global business process platform for the future? Not for the sake of new technology, but to reach a higher level of value creation as a company. To guide that journey, CBS has defined the 5 imperatives of change. These are the pillars that support and drive real value-creating SAP-empowered business transformation. Let's explore what they mean in practice. The first imperative is, take the ultimate path to a resilient, innovative global business backbone. Resilience and innovation are key in a dynamic market. The ultimate way to really achieve this is through what we call a selective business transformation. It is the only resilient greenfield implementation that minimizes risk and ensures quality. And it is the only elevated brownfield that reduces your technical depth and adds value to your organization. And above all, selective business transformation is the only approach that makes you cross the finish line at the height of your ambition. It enables you to deliver impact to your global organization in an acceptable period of time. Imperative 2. unlock your finance value? Are you aware of the potential in your financial and corporate steering capabilities and how fast your CFO can bring it to life? There is a leading practice to turn your steering model into a best-in-class, innovative SAP solution with a minimally invasive implementation. So discover your hidden treasure with finance transformers from CBS who elevate your financial strategy for long-term success. Number 3, maximize your impact. Transformation is more than just technology, it's all about strategy. By aligning your ambitions with actionable steps, you can achieve maximum impact. An end-to-end transformation advisory guides you through your transformation journey. The 4th imperative to follow is unleash your competitive edge. Data is the key to the future. Embrace an AI-powered, data-driven world to accelerate innovation and make faster informed decisions. With intelligent data and architecture, you will future-proof your business in an extended cloud landscape. And finally, the 5th imperative of change. Boost your transformation with the right software. A successful transformation requires a holistic end-to-end platform. This supports SAP customers every step of the way, from planning to execution. The CBS Transformation Platform provides everything you need to take your SAP data transformation to the next level. These 5 imperatives form the architecture of successful business transformation. Let's take a look at some experience from the USA, shared by Lawrence Prefke, CEO CBS Americas. Lawrence, what's your point of view?
Hi, Holger. Actually, I totally agree. All these imperatives provide clarity amid complexity, and together they enable companies to move confidently into the future. To follow the imperatives of change, CBS developed a comprehensive transformation as a service suite. This is a complete set of consulting offerings for the transformation of your business, end-to-end, in all areas and at all levels. Our suite is designed for real challenges, for your challenges, and it maximizes your transformation impact. But how does this work, you may ask? So let's have a deeper look and discover how the 5 imperatives can be implemented in real life using dedicated transformation services. The first offering we would like to talk about is Selective Business Transformation. Victor, can you give us more insights on how Selective Business Transformation equips our customers for the imperatives of change?
Everyone is talking about business transformation. The problem is real business transformation requires change, and people, by nature, are resistant to change. In a world constantly bombarding us with AI, cloud computing, or robotic process automation, business transformation is no longer a nice to have. It is imperative. Selective Business Transformation offers a fast, tailored path toward a clean digital core. Think about precise, value-adding changes to your organization without the need for a full-scale overhaul. Changes without disruption. Change with purpose. As organizations continue to navigate their SAP S/4HANA journeys, Selective Business Transformation offers the opportunity to take a targeted, data-driven path, one that allows for focus on building a strong foundation for the future, one that transforms only what truly matters, reduces complexity, and delivers results fast.
Wait a minute, Victor. We've just been talking about Selective Business Transformation quite a bit, but we've not talked about Selective Data Transition so far. How does that play into the whole thing?
That's because data transformation is not real business transformation. Having the right data in the right place is just a small piece of the transformation puzzle. When it comes to transitioning your legacy SAP system to SAP S/4HANA, Selected Data Transition, or SDT, offers flexibility. If Greenfield is wholesale change and Brownfield is just the status quo, albeit on a new platform, SDT is that entire gray space in between the two. Refresh wherever it makes sense while retaining relevant data and processes based on what the needs of the business are.
Victor, I've understood Selective Business Transformation delivers fast results. But how does Selective Data Transition play into it?
All right, so let me walk you through 4 key differentiators. First, establishing a strong data foundation. By migrating only high-quality, relevant data, you enable data-driven decisions, or insights to action like SAP likes to say. But more importantly, you're setting yourself up for success with AI in the future. The second is risk mitigation. Targeted changes avoid operational disruption that come with a rip and replace approach. Flexible, incremental change can help keep business resilient while minimizing the risk of wholesale changes. The third is scalable system modernization. Existing strengths are preserved, while AI, automation, cloud services, and platforms like SAP Rise can be seamlessly integrated into a future-proof architecture. Finally is cost efficiency. Outdated data and unnecessary processes can be left behind, shedding all of that technical debt, reducing complexity, and lowering transformation and operating costs. Bring all of these elements together, and you're left with maximum transformation impact, driven by focus, stability, and innovation. And most importantly, your business strategy remains in the driver's seat. The transformation follows your goals, not the other way around. Selective Business Transformation focuses beyond the core, beyond just data. It looks at the entire business process landscape, digital architecture, and new technologies to help you chart a path forward towards delivering fast value and a rock-solid foundation. A foundation that's built for the new agile world we live in. A foundation that will support an AI-assisted workforce. A foundation that will enable you to adapt to a rapidly changing world without unneeded disruption. This leads us to our next building block for navigating change, and that's our Finance Transformers solution. I'd like to turn things over to my colleague, Max Tour, Consulting Director for Finance at CBS, who will walk through how organizations are navigating change from a financial lens. Max, take it away.
Finance today is more than handling numbers. It's the heartbeat of strategic steering and control. And yet many organizations remain stuck, slowed down by manual workarounds, disconnected systems, and reporting cycles that simply can't keep up with the pace of business. Imagine an organization where finance isn't just a back office function, but a driving force behind strategic decisions. This is the reality we aim to create. So, let's talk about the real challenges companies are confronted with. Growth and internationalization are pushing compliance requirements higher while demanding greater flexibility and cost efficiency. Increasing business complexity is creating a need for deeper integration between finance and operations. Digitalization and new business models demand agility and constant re-evaluation of existing solutions. And with the explosion of data, finance needs real-time access across all units, not just for visibility, but for strategic steering and control. And this is where we, the Finance Transformers, come in. We don't just automate processes, we rethink the role of finance altogether. Our transformation approach combines a harmonized, rock-solid core with agile innovations tailored to tomorrow's business needs. Together with our customers, we develop and implement powerful concepts that are holistic and at the cutting edge, by considering value creators that bring you to the top. Let's talk about 5 of these value creators. Global process harmonization, ensuring consistency and efficiency across all financial operations worldwide. Advanced analytics and reporting, leveraging real-time data to provide actionable insights and support strategic decision-making. Integrated planning and forecasting, combining financial and operational data for more accurate and dynamic planning. A digital finance transformation, implementing cutting-edge technologies to enhance agility and responsiveness. AI-powered automation, using artificial intelligence to boost efficiency and bring sense to big data. With 30 years of finance transformation experience, and a flawless track record delivering global finance transformation programs, we bring precision and execution excellence. And what does that mean for your business? Real-time and globally harmonized reporting, integrated planning and forecasting, and most important, a finance organization that doesn't just react to the business, it drives it forward. The transformation journey that lies ahead isn't just a technical upgrade. It's a strategic shift, a turnkey finance transformation that delivers innovation, control, agility, and resilience. That's what CBS delivers. Finance capabilities that are ready to lead the future. And that's our way to maximize your transformation impact and unlock your hidden value. Well, our finance transformers offer just one element of our transformation portfolio. But also, transformation advisory equips companies for the imperatives of change. For this, our transformation advisory solution offers a strategic guidance. Oliver Dorsner, Consulting Director Transformation Management at CBS, dives deeper into the topic with you.
Transformation without a target picture is like setting sail without a compass. Where to start? Which steps matter most? Again and again, we also see companies getting stuck in their already started transformation initiatives. You could almost say they are somehow lost in transformation. But there is a way and even a way back on track with a clear, goal-driven roadmap. Without a concrete plan, even the best technology won't deliver real value. That's why a structured approach is key. It ensures quick wins while setting you up for a long-term success. Whether you're starting fresh or you're optimizing existing approaches, transformation must stay focused, efficient, and sustainable. Let's say it clear, transformation isn't about technology. It's about turning strategy into action. The right blend of industry expertise and proven methodologies is essential to make that happen and to scale transformation effectively. Transformation Advisory is our premium offering to shape SAP-empowered business transformations that deliver maximum impact. The focus lays on the following: infusing tangible business value and ambition, optimizing program approaches and durations, ensuring business involvement, and developing the capabilities of our customers for sustainable transformation. With our Transformation Rescue Assessment, we identify how to get your transformation on the right track. We show you how to unlock value and make a real difference in your organization. From the Transformation Strategy Workshop to the Transformation Impact Assessment and Transformation Rescue Turnaround Management, we support your top priority IT and business projects. With 30 years of market-leading transformation consulting and execution, we rely on proven methodologies and an unwavering focus on our clients. We act as your strategic co-pilot, turning high-level vision into executable plans. For global leaders in industrial manufacturing life sciences, we are the trusted advisor. Let's take your transformation to the next level for maximum impact. You see, Transformation Advisory will strategically guide you through your transformation. To fulfill the next imperative and to unleash your competitive edge, Dr. Carsten Kötter, Consulting Director Cloud Platform at CBS, will take you now to the further journey.
Unleashing your competitive edge is what really drives us. Today's world is hyper-connected. Technology and AI are evolving at warp speed, and the speed keeps ever increasing. Data is everywhere. But let's be honest, most of your data isn't used to its full potential. A lot of it isn't even accessible, still stuck in silos or hidden as dark data. Your business processes is still full of manual steps. Decision often made on incomplete data, if any. And yes, we still see media breaks everywhere, sometimes even fax. That's where we come in. We guide you on your journey to the cloud, hybrid or multi-cloud, depending on your needs. Why cloud at all? Because only cloud approaches deliver the speed needed to keep up with innovation. We help define your clean core approach, build the foundation for next generation architecture, and ensure your data is consistent and reliable. Why do you need a foundation for composable IT systems? Because you want to be faster, more flexible, ready for change. Think of your IT landscape like furniture. From heavy Gelsenkirchen Baroque style, a historically grown ERP system, moving to modular IKEA and even sleek USM HANA. That's what composable means. Gain flexibility through smart standardization. On top of those composable ERP systems, we'll connect the dots via fully automated end-to-end processes. End-to-end means starting with the supplier, through all your service providers and partners, ending with the customer. Driven by data, driven by AI. Here you can excel and differentiate your business processes from the competitors. And looking into the future, why not aim for full automation, like Amazon already does? Processes of our industry customers are way more complicated, we of course know. But let's apply that principle to your business processes. We deliver all part of your journey, covering architecture, concepts and roadmaps. We make future-proof technology platforms productive. We integrate everything, we automate processes and implement your digital differentiation. Sounds complicated? Sounds like a lot of effort? It's not. You can and should start today. The technology is there. And you do have a lot of opportunities in your current processes for AI and data-driven automation. And we deliver it in smart, digestible packages for fast value and real impact. Let's unleash your competitive edge. We'll gear you up for challenges companies are typically facing. Bernhard Rother, Consulting Director SLT at CBS, will talk about how the right software additionally boosts your transformation.
You have now heard it several times and you've probably experienced it yourself. Today's business world is moving very fast. And let's be honest, digital transformation is challenging. But what if you had a platform that turned complexity into clarity? That's exactly what the CBS Transformation Platform does. The CBS Transformation Platform is more than a software product. It is a holistic transformation ecosystem. It combines all technical migration capabilities and strategic transformation services under one roof. Designed to address the full range of SAP transformation requirements, the transformation platform serves as the foundation for intelligent and future-proof enterprise change. It empowers organizations to navigate complexity with confidence and make transformation your strategic advantage. It sets a clear direction to provide a complete and integrated landscape that addresses all transformation scenarios. This includes ERP transformations, whether on-premise, in the public cloud or the private cloud, as well as non-ERP transformations. This approach allows the transformation process to be tailored across dimensions, in business, data, and technology, while remaining consistent and efficient. At its core lies the ET Enterprise Transformer, the best-in-class standard software for full-scale SAP data transformations. The ET plays a central role in the platform, delivering intelligent transformation through selective data migration with minimal business disruption. But the platform extends far beyond the ET. It supports the full SAP transformation lifecycle, enabling organizations to plan, execute, and optimize their journey to S/4HANA. It unites analysis, implementation, and operations into one intelligent platform for sustainable transformation success. With the platform, we enable phased migrations, big bang cutovers, and everything in between, even near zero downtime execution. By accelerating SAP migrations and enabling continuous improvement, the platform helps you to unlock the full potential of SAP S/4HANA. Rely on a scalable, future-proof solution built to align technology with business goals. This way, you can boost your transformation and maximize your impact. We have gained valuable insights into the technological aspects of business transformations and clearly identified the next steps on the path forward. However, it is through CBS' holistic transformation approach that true value is created. All elements work together like a perfectly synchronized clock. Our solutions are seamlessly aligned, precisely orchestrated, and fully integrated. This is the key to success and the right way to save time, increase efficiency, and deliver measurable results, now and in the future. And we take it a step further. Technology alone doesn't drive real impact. The right mindset and flawless execution are equally critical to success. It requires a partner who doesn't just implement change, but transforms it into a seamless, engaging, and value-driven experience. Rainer Wittmann, the CEO of CBS, shares what sets us apart and ensures the success of every transformation project.
At CBS, transformation is in our DNA. For us, it's more than just a technical thing. It's a journey full of opportunities to create sustainable change. We don't see complexity as a threat, but as a chance to achieve real impact, fast and focused. We guide you through every step with clarity, enthusiasm, and purpose. Together, we can turn uncertainty into progress and challenges into growth. No obstacle is too big. We break down barriers and pave the way for your successful transformation. How do we do that? Innovation is at the core of how we work, not just in business processes or technology, also in how we think and act. We translate your needs into creative, effective solutions that make a lasting difference. We achieve that with profound experience from over 5,000 global transformation projects. We combine bold ideas with execution excellence. We bring your vision to life. Our passion drives us to go the extra mile and to deliver maximized value that moves you forward. When we say the power of transformation is orange, it's more than just a slogan. It's our promise. It stands for everything we do, overcoming obstacles, driving change, and realizing transformation with passion. We don't say it's easy, but we are committed to deliver excellent results through collaboration, dedication, and of course expertise. Together, let's build a transformation that sets new standards by improving your effectiveness, your efficiency, your agility, and your sustainability. Together with you, we want to maximize your impact. My name's Rainer Wittmann, and as CEO of CBS, I'm really looking forward to start your transformation journey together with you.